is Taulava. Taulava working his way inside, and he will miss. One more try, and he will miss. One more try, and he will score. That's what you call determination.
For the win! Patay mo dito! Alabang goes up a Hail Mary! Taulava! With the shot! The best angle from our replays. My goodness!
Inside the big man. Quick spin. Asi this time gets a slam. He wanted that earlier.
Ganda yung speed movement going to the base Santos before the slam. Totally nawala si Noy Balta Santos.
Hindi na-intimidate dito si Asi kay Yao Ming. Honest, and that's a great attempt there by Asi Taulava. It's very rare that you play a #1 draft pick in the NBA. I don't think he's ever played anyone like Yao Ming.
Lumalaban pala. Last shot time against Taulava. Back-to-back slams by Asi Taulava gives us the lead. As what can you do? How can you defend?
Kung talagang hinahanap nila si Taulava early on, there's the turnaround baseline! Get out of the way! In your face. A last stop that last.
Harvey Carey. Pasa pala kay Asi Taulava. Slamming it home emphatically. Tomahawk slam from The Rock. Asi Taulava.
Towering above everyone else.
The Rock.
Cardona looks up court. Nakita si Taulava. Look at The Rock! Throw it down!
Right now he's unstoppable.
Tomahawk throwdown from
Pasa na
Asi.
yun eh. Maganda na yung cut ni Leo Finito. Good extra pass. Oh boy! Stop and picks.
Some words said from Asi Taulava.
Lead pass. Asi has plans. He has plans. Let's watch this. Taulava soaring.
Taulava, the youngest female player, fading away. Asi delivers.
Big shot by your veteran, Asi Taulava. Hanap sila ng leader. Pumutos, Asi Taulava is able to deliver.
Asi showing us the steps. The entire package.
Well, the move by the big man. Between the legs, the crossover. Papanda pa.
Quick step. Rob Johnson inside. Just being erased by Asi Taulava. Asi says, welcome to the PBA, Rob Johnson.
Johnson just spinning his defender, but not Asi Taulava. And look at this. Asi Taulava waiting for him, blocking his shot, and look at the stare down.
That will not work, but Asi slams it home. 6-0 run for the Philippines. Yet lead down to 3.
A fall away by Eric Meng. Ito si Taulava! Si Taulava. That was a good offensive rebound situation. At the same time, take a quick break. Break ni Quinito, inaayos lang po ang ring.
Ito si Macma Cardona. Taulava dancing inside. He gets the basket. Was a foul. Injury that had already occurred in practice. That is fifth. Another angle, Aray. Ang sakit talaga yun. Si The Rock. Nabango. Baseline. Laglag kaya si Taulava. Hit the dunk. And as a no-fear slam. Brought to you by No-Fear Jeans USA.
He thought about that three. Taulava inside. That was another no fear snap.
He's got to work on his offense. Oh, nice steal.
Binigay kay Raimundo, balik ni Taulava. And a thundering slam for Asi Taulava.
Quarter, Jimmy Alapag sumaksak pasa kay Asi Taulava. Pero sinigurado, dalawang player na yung sumabay doon, Richard, ha?
Over. Alexander to Asi. Throw it down.
Asi Taulava with a monster slam. Again, it's an isolation para kay Taulava. Here's Asi Taulava. Ito na naman siya. Strong move inside. Laston.
Picking up foul number 2. Inside, Asi Taulava just muscling his way inside in the
Air
baseline.
21 seems to be blanked here by Dominic's phone fouls. Despite of that hard foul, si Taulava will still score.
Here's the second quarter, now up 49-34. Si Taulava, nanggigigil na dito.
He fires. And Asi scores. He ties the game. And it looks like we're going into overtime. Last play again for Air 21. The air ball by Wesley Witherspoon and Asi. The rebound, the putback, ties the game, sends this into overtime.
Ganda na pasa. Oh, yeah. Ayun ang maganda. And Taulava finally getting the opening of that pass by Kenneth Duremdes.
Dribble. Carriazo lead pass. Oh, yes. Buti wala pa sigaw yun.
They go to Taulava. His hook is good.
When Taulava can put that ball down.
Here's Asi. Asi going off the glass and the rock.
Strong move by Asi.
Miguel, 20% lamang, 5 pa silang tumitira. Hoy, back to Asi Taulava, kinaliwa pa. And look at Danny Segan.
Rebound from a small man. And here's Asi Taulava with a one-handed slap.
Oh, that's grab by Asi Taulava.
Dito sa second quarter, Carriazo nasapal niya si Taulava.
Alakala ko si Tito. Bale, oy! Hindi na traveling yun. Awan ang hapot dito nag-aalakanin na itawag. A 1-point lead para sa Mobiline Hometowns off this layup. Fast break play by Asi Taulava.
Second quarter and the scoring continues for both sides as they exceed throughout.
Let's not call it para sa pamanan ng NLEX.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. Asi Taulava. Kuya Asi. For three! I want to see the bench. Oh! No!
Pitang banda, walang Asi Taulava. Kinulog ng 4, kinulog ng 3. And this won't be an easy night for the Asi.
Now the medal of NLEX is being tested. And Asi will have a 3-point play. Tells everyone. Sumagot naman si Asi Taulava. Time to get it right back.
Meaning sa third quarter. Spin by Asi Taulava. He up fakes. Ayun, talagang grabe ito si Taulava. Best game so. Asi Taulava na naman. At yes, it's been all Asi Taulava underneath. Nabagsak na sa kanya nilagpag yung bola. Clearly an offensive foul.
Physical player in number 10. After he initiates the contact, he says sorry.
Attacking. Labas ni Taulava for the jump shot. Off na tira ni Taulava. He will take the jump shot. Let's see if the light is on. Off na yung light. Pero kung na-release niya before.
To Castillo, back to Taulava. The short stop good. Philippines leading by as much as 8 way back in the opening quarter. They want to go to Taulava. They jump it inside. Taulava, minus 12.
And Asi wants to finish.
He struggled that. He was not able to use the glass.
Oh, yes!
Alam mo, swerte tayo na isot natin yun sa ganong klaseng orin yung mga kasama natin.
Exactly. Yung dinadalang sa lakas ni Asi Taulava, but he's such a talented player.
Walang pito eh. Galit tuloy. Gerald Honeycutt with the assist para kay Asi Taulava.
No, pinasa kay Taulava. 12 to shoot to the phone pass. Taulava pumihit. Almost lost the ball. But he gets it off the glass. 6.
Ayan si Asi, nasa ilalim. Mahirap pintuin niya pag ganyan. And a 3-point play coming up.
Kakasabi
na luluwag eh. Talagang style ng tank. Meron pa naman tanking ng ako.
Ayun ang mabigat doon. +1 for Asi Taulava, who's all fired up.
Finishes the quarter strong and they lead it by 16 after 1.
Save by ito. It's back to the phone foul. And Taulava wide open for the pair. Napaganda pa eh. Almost Miller over to Taulava. Taulava, he has to take it strong. Dahil lima na yung fouls itong si Miller.
We're going to stop Taulava here.
At sabi ni Asi Taulava.
And Asi just grabs it from Junlin Court. Power play by Asi Taulava.
Leading by as much as 8 way back in the opening quarter. They want to go to Taulava.
Hindi naman ito ang ultimate. Ito si Asi Taulava.
Nilabag ang bola sa harap ng mga defenders. Si Gary yung
bola na kay Cardona. Cardona on the move. Cardona no look pass. Bana ipasa pa kay Taulava. Taulava muscles his way inside. Power move.
Yun, partner, nasayang for Italy. Oh, here's Asi Taulava. He'll score.
Yung transition, rare transition.
Signal nila kahit deep sa Hong Kong.
Tama. Ito, lead pass. Asi Taulava! Soaring in for 2.
Now be able to have someone who can also bring up the pace of Joaquin Tex. And sure enough, pagpasok ni Macba Cardona, 2 straight baskets coming from the phone foul.
That's a good shot. That again, Taulava just dominating and clearing every.
And that miss from Jones.
You know,
Joaquin Tex once more.
Kay Asi
Taulava.
Ito na naman si Taulava, faking, and he gets 2 quick baskets.
Hindi na natin to. Si Taulava! Yes! And